guys, today's video is going to be a Glossybox unboxing. I'm filming a bunch of videos today, so you know you're gonna see this shirt in a bunch of videos. So, Glossybox. I've gone Glossybox like off and on for like a few years now. There was an issue with this particular box. It's a September box. I literally got this box so late because they tried to ship it to my P.O. box first and they shipped through FedEx, and FedEx doesn't deliver to P.O. boxes, so they had to change the address and blah, blah, blah. So I actually didn't think that I was getting this box because they contacted me and they said, okay, we'll just send you the October box instead. But this is a September box and they're sending me the October box too. So let's see what it is. Glossybox. I will have all the details down. What am I doing? Down? No, like down below. This is what the box looks like. Well, first there is a little card, a $50 voucher from Bright Sellers. I was gonna say it's Bright Sellers and MLM. I don't think, I know there are a bunch of like MLM wine companies. I don't think Bright Sellers is. But yeah, $50 off your first 4-bottle box. They don't tell you that the 4-bottle box is probably like $200. So it's, you know, sounds like you're getting a deal, but eh. Okay, yeah, September box. It says it's September spa time, so it just shows the products that are in the box. First thing is from Daily Concepts. This is the Daily Beauty Headband. Looks like this. This is going to be helpful for like when I put my makeup on. This retails for $12. The perfect headband for sweeping hair off your face when cleansing or applying a face mask, or even to control your hair as you apply makeup. So yeah, so I mean, this is something I'll definitely use. It's like a terry cloth material. Sorry, I need to look there. Guys, I was so pissed because if you don't know, I got a new camera. I got the Sony ZV-1 and it had been overheating and I'm like, what the frick? It's a brand new camera. I hope I don't have this issue, but all I had to do was do a simple Google search and I came across a YouTube video. It was like one setting and fingers crossed, since I changed that setting, it hasn't overheated. So anyway, yes, excited about this. Next thing in the box is from Codex Beauty. This is the Bia Exfoliating Wash. It's a face wash that lightly exfoliates and tones skin, making it gentle enough for daily use. Jojoba grains provide a non-irritating exfoliation, while castor oil helps clear pores and impurities. I kind of cringe when I see the words castor oil being pregnant because some people use castor oil to induce pregnancy, and that's not good because it makes you poop your brains out, and who wants to do that? Anyway, exfoliating wash. Okay, yes, I will try this. Next thing in the box is from Melusine. This is the Magic Jade Roller. Retails, oh, hold on. The face wash retails for, this guy retails for $18, full size retails for $45. Okay, so yes, this Magic Jade Roller retails for $21. It says, this Jade Roller is a skincare lover's quick fix, as well as a longer-term investment for improving elasticity, radiance, reducing fine lines, and combating puffiness. All right, let's check it out. A Jade Roller. Who's texting me? My husband. We're having tacos tonight. I'm so excited. This video is all over the place, but that's okay. I just got a message saying that 9% of my state's COVID-19 cases have occurred in the past 2 weeks. It's great. It's great. And then there's concerns about flu season. Yeah, it's great. I got my flu shot. Like a week and a half ago. My kids are getting their flu shots next week, so fingers crossed for that. But anyway, Jade Roller. Ooh, this is pretty. So yeah, I don't know. I have another one of these face rollers and I've honestly never used it, so I don't know. Looking here, I don't know. It says after moisturizing, spend 10 minutes rolling from side of mouth up to your ear. Use the handle for your nose or under your eyes. Oh, okay. Combine with a sheet mask or leave in the fridge. Woo! Definitely gonna try this. Next thing in the box is from Vitamasks. This is the Ruby Sheet Mask. Recharge mind and restore skin. Made with ruby stone powder and goji berries. So it's a face mask. Retails for $7. It says goji berries, vitamin C, and antioxidants are blended together to restore tired, dull skin. How did they know? How did they know that that's what I have? Yeah, it's a vegan-friendly mask. I love trying out new face masks, so for sure, we'll try this. Okay, how many more things do we got? How many, do we have 6? Oh, we had 6 things in the box. All right, this is the Breakout. It's from Rosen Skincare. It's the Breakout Spot Treatment. With peppermint oil acting as an antimicrobial for large and active bumps, this spot treatment is the perfect solution for those annoying and sometimes painful breakouts. Retails for $12. So, oh my gosh, UPS is here. This is great. FedEx just came and now UPS is here and this is great. Okay, so anyway, I don't get breakouts. I still kind of have like one little guy right here, but this is definitely pregnancy related. So yeah, I don't get breakouts. I might give this to my son to try out. But yeah, I have good skin in the sense that I don't get breakouts. I have wrinkles and huge pores and, you know, other issues, but I don't get breakouts. Okay, and the last thing in the box is from Vanilla Company. This is Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream. So it's the ultimate power couple in a jar. This blend of royal jelly and yellow flower is soothing and nourishing. It provides moisture while also recharging and rejuvenating distressed skin. This guy, this little sample is $6. The full size retails for $42. This is cute. Looks like a little honeycomb. Is my cat throwing up? Did you hear that? Hello, are you okay? Are you okay? Please don't throw up. Ooh, smells like honey. I'm definitely excited to try this. For sure. So that is everything that is in my September glossy box. I'm definitely excited to try this guy. I will for sure try out the face mask. What else? The spot treatment, like I said, I don't have a use for this, but I will give it to my son and see what he thinks. The exfoliating wash, yes, 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 I will try. What else do we have? The Jade Roller. We're gonna try this. See how this, what this. I'm on the headband as I drop everything off my desk. The headband, yep, totally gonna use it. That's it for this video. If you guys are interested in Glossybox, I will have a link down below. I will also link my other Glossybox unboxings so you guys can check out the boxes that I've received in the past. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.